DCI have issued summons to the following individuals who happen to be husband and wife, who between them are holding 18 million shillings belonging to the government of Kenya through the youth fund, which they are vanished with, and which young people are waiting to be taken overseas, and that is government money. And so, if you see them, tell them that they have summons, they need to report to the DCI. This is Mr. Vincent Omondi Oyugi, Mr. Vincent Omondi Oyugi, and his wife, Rachel Njoki Karioki. Rachel Njoki Karioki. They are being looked for. Wanatafutwa na DCI. Mara moja. Wamekula pesa ya youth fund, vijana wajaenda, na we need that money. We need people to be sent overseas. They need to show us where they have taken that money. Kama wamenunua Mercedes Benz, viuzwe, lakini we cannot steal people's money and get away by abusing it. You know, mkono wa serikali ni mrefu. Finally, advisory. My advisory is this: please let us avoid unscrupulous and unregistered persons. If the deal is too sweet to be true, then it is a lie. It's a process. Somebody offers you a big job somewhere, please do investigation. If that person is not listed, if the job is not listed in the website of the National Employment Agency, which is accessible 24 hours, then avoid that person. If you have any problems, come to my office, come to my PS's office, send a message to NEA, and they will tell you whether that person is real or a crook. Do not give money to individuals. Do not pay money to individuals. Deal with a company. Deal with a registered company. And before you give money to a company, make sure they are registered under the National Employment Agency, and that the company, the job they are talking about is already uploaded in the website of the National Employment Agencies. Number 3, do not pay any monies directly to an individual's number using Safaricom or any other way. Do not deposit money to an individual's account. If you're going to pay through Safaricom, use a pay bill, because a pay bill is given to companies, a company can be tracked.